Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, where today I'll be installing a dash cam on a 2015 Kia Optima. For this installation, I'll be using a Garmin Mini and a Dongar Technologies dash cam adapter. Dongar Technologies designs these little dash cam adapters. They're advertised as a plug-and-play solution for vehicles equipped with auto-dimming rearview mirrors, and let me just show you how easy the setup is. First thing we want to do is tilt the rearview mirror down. This will give us better access to the plastic shroud here. To remove this, I'm going to gently pry this with my finger from the left side and pull out and away. There's no need for any speed or force here, so take your time. Once we have this piece off, we will have access to the connector port. I'm going to disconnect the existing connector by pushing up on the tab and pulling out. The connector port seen here is a 10-pin, and Dongar Technologies has a 10-pin adapter designed specifically for Kia and Hyundai vehicles. The process here is quite simple. I'm going to connect the new adapter into the vehicle's connector port and connect the original cable into the other end of the Dongar Technologies adapter. And what we're left with is this USB receptacle. This is where we'll pause and verify that our unit is receiving power. To do that, I'm going to power on the vehicle and check the USB receptacle to make sure I see a blue light. If you see the light, you're good to go. I definitely don't plan on leaving this hanging here like this, so what I'm going to do instead is hide the adapter and wiring within the headliner. And take a look at what I did here. And once we have the cover back on, boom, this thing looks good. I actually went a step further and used double-sided tape to adhere the USB receptacle to the plastic shroud, and I think this really elevates the appearance further and gives it a more seamless look. All I have left to do now is find a nice spot for my dash cam and plug that sucker in. Now, every time I turn on my vehicle, the dash cam will power on and start recording. This is an easy 2-minute upgrade that can save you a bunch of headache on the road today. And I'm going to leave a link to both these products in the description below, and would really appreciate you hitting that like button if you found this video helpful. As always, cheers and drive safe, y'all. Peace.